This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Julie Brown. Furnished cozy cabin in the gated community of Snowline. Features include an open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, skylights, maple cabinets. Extra large bonus room can be used as a bunkroom, flex space. Cabin is located on 2 lots which has had lot line eliminated. Property is level and has a creek on second lot, very clear and open, lots of light comes into the property. Enjoy the amenities of Snowline and the recreational opportunities offered by Mount Baker National Forest. Only 30 minutes to the world-famous Mount Baker ski area. Note, a new stove is on order and will be installed ASAP. For more information